Hello there, welcome to my channel. Today I'm turning my everyday dining table decor into a summer tablescape, perfect for a Sunday family meal or just a casual summer get-together. This video is part of the Something for All Seasons open collaboration hosted by Kristi from Inspired Living with Kristi and Sherri from Pretty Simple Sherri. Now both Kristi and Sherri have amazing channels, you guys. Their channels are full of inspiring and helpful content. I highly encourage you to check them both out. I will leave a link to their channels and the collaboration playlist in the description box below. I am a huge fan of beautiful, elaborate tablescapes, but lately I've really been enjoying the simplicity of letting the food take center stage and kind of just accessorize minimally around the food. So today I'm setting up the table for a family style meal and sharing my tips for a colorful and relaxed summer tablescape. So when I think summer, I think color, lots of vibrant colors. Unfortunately, I don't own a lot of colorful decor items, so I'm using this gift wrapping paper as a table runner because it's an easy way to add color without spending a ton of money. I like to start with a bit of planning. Now I'll do this regardless whether I'm serving the food on a buffet table or family style like today, but I decided my menu first, and maybe a day before or early that day, I will select all of my serveware. I love using cookware that can go from the stovetop to the oven and straight to the table for that purpose. I'll label all of my serving pieces and I'll lay them out on the table first, and then I'll start placing all of my decor items around the food. Now, instead of doing a large centerpiece, I'm opting for several small arrangements. I'm just using what I found at my local grocery store today. I found some hot pink roses and some light green roses, and they tie in really well with the colors in my table runner. Can't forget candles. I found these candlestick holders on clearance at Target. They were actually a Christmas item. Believe it or not, I thought the color would be perfect for spring or summer as well. For the place settings, a woven placemat or charger is perfect for summer. It adds an element of nature. And you can never go wrong with all white dishes. This dinner plate is from IKEA, but it actually reminds me of something you could find at Pottery Barn. And my napkins are from the Target Dollar Spot. I'm adding gold flatware, and this set is from Walmart actually, super affordable. Probably not as good quality as the ones from higher end stores, which I do hope to invest in at some point. But for now, these are great, and they're also dishwasher safe, which I love. And the gold mirror coasters are from IKEA. So here's the finished tablescape. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you got something of value from it, and if you did, I hope you consider subscribing to my channel. And I thank all of you who have subscribed already. I really appreciate your support, and I look forward to seeing you on my next video.